How to get a YouTube channel QR code. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get QR code of your YouTube channel. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, you just need to update your YouTube application from your device. If you're using iOS, then go to App Store, and if you're using Android, go to Play Store, or yeah, likewise. So now here, to get the QR code of your YouTube channel, what you need to do here is that you just need to open your YouTube app, and then after opening the YouTube app, what you need to do here is that uh, here on the bottom you can see the U option on the bottom right corner. Just you need to tap here. This type of interface will be pop up. Here you have to click on view channel option on the top right. Just click here, and then here on the top you can see the three dot option will be available. Just click on this three dot, and then here you can see share option. Just you need to tap on share, and then scroll down, and here you will get one option that is QR code. Just tap on it, and then here you can see you got your like a YouTube channel QR. So now you can save this on your camera roll, or you can take a screenshot also. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.